Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Crypto Rocket. Today I'm excited to introduce you to MEXC Global Kickstarter, a new platform that is taking the crowdfunding world by storm. If you are not familiar with crowdfunding, it is a way to entrepreneurs and investors to raise funds for their projects by getting support from the large numbers of people online. And with MEXC Global Kickstarter, the process is easier and more accessible than ever before. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily create and launch your crowdfunding campaign in just a few simple steps. Plus, MEXC Global Kickstarter offers a range of tools and resources to help you promote your campaign and reach your funding goals. We have two projects that's going on this event. One of it is REDLC and the other one Digital Beats. I'll go ahead and explain briefly on these two projects and then go to my screen to show you how to participate in this wonderful event project. The first project here is REDLC. REDLC is a decentralized layer 1 EVM Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain created by REDLC Finance. REDLC claims to solve the blockchain dilemma of scalability, decentralization and security by introducing revolutionary changes to traditional EVM capability blockchain. And the next project, Digital Beats. Digital Beats is commonly known as the blockchain for brands that enable the creation, transfer and exchange of digital assets, including cryptocurrencies, NFTs, loyalty points and rewards. Digital Beats technology and finance to provide a secure, scalable, eco-friendly and decentralized infrastructure. Today, Digital Beats is the main global sponsor of as Roma Football Club and is a partner of major brands like Rakuten and Chilcom and has iconic ambassadors such as the legendary Francisco Totti. I will take you now straight to my screen to show you how to participate in this wonderful event project for you to earn by voting on this project. Before I proceed on my screen, first click on the subscribe button, like this video and click on the bell icon. On my description below, you will see a TikTok link. Please follow me on my TikTok link. Follow me on my Telegram group so that you will see the latest updates that I'll be posting on the group that I might not be able to visualize it on my YouTube videos or TikTok videos. Okay, now click on this link and subscribe on my course, on this course, so that you will be able to trade like a pro. You can register on these exchanges so that whenever I'm posting any listing or any project that you can able to benefit on it. So let's go on my screen so that I'll show you how to participate in this wonderful event project. Welcome to my screen. Okay, I'll go straight to the point. Okay, what you are seeing here
is REDLC, which is red light chain. Red light chain is already going. A lot of people that have participated on this, that have voted, the reward pool is 76,967 red light chain token. And what we use to participate in this project is by holding MEXC token, which is MEXC Global Native token. You will hold it in order to participate in this. The snapshot period is between February 28th to March 3rd, which have passed, and voting period is 4th, which is today, to 5th, which is tomorrow. Now the final distribution, the calculation period will be on the 5th too. Then the final token distribution is the same 5th. That means everybody, after the voting, the token will be distributed according to your holding, the amount of MEXC token that you are holding. Okay, total amount of tokens supplied is 210 million red light chain. Then token type is an Ethereum virtual chain, and the total airdrop is 76,967. Price of USDT, it has not been launched, but the initial launching price will be $0.65. So the number of votes is 100. The number of MEXC token you will have for you to participate in this vote, the minimum is 100 MEXC token to 500,000 MEXC token, which is the maximum. Okay, I will leave the link on my description below. Just go straight and click on the link that is on my description below for you to participate in this wonderful events. Then the next project to show is called XDB, Digital Bits. Okay, Digital Bit snapshot period is starting on 3rd of March and end on 6th of March. This one is still ongoing, so you can put 100 MEXC on your MEXC Global Exchange now and hold it for you to participate in this voting. Then the voting period will start on 7th of March and end in 8th of March. Then the calculation period is the same 8th of March, and the final token distribution is still the same 8th of March. So you need to hold at least 100 MEXC token and 500,000 MEXC token for you to participate in this airdrop. Then total amount of token supplied is 20 billion XDB. Okay, and the initial launching is $0.002. That will be the initial launching. If the coin pump massively, you are going to be also making a lot of money. It's a way of investing. So kindly invest in this token and make yourself a good amount of money. So this is for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please, I'm expecting to see you in my next video. Thank you.